Hello friends, I am painting a watercolor piece that's going to be a mate to the similar piece that I painted a few weeks ago, also available on YouTube. This piece is requested by the customer who saw the first piece thinking that they can use a mate for home decor market. And same as the previous piece, I'm laying down the watercolor base layer, and then once the base layer dries, it actually dries pretty quickly because it's a very thin layer. And I mean, California, the climate here is pretty dry, especially in the summer, especially this summer. And once it dries, I use gouache to paint over the base layer and to basically add patterns to make it more interesting. And the patterns that I use is going to be simple, contemporary, and also in the similar style as the one that I painted earlier. And in some areas I use a color that is darker than the background to add pattern. For example, this one I'm using taupe over light grayish pink, and the first, this is almost like agapanthus, graphic. The first agapanthus, the tallest, is actually, I'm taking advantage of the bleed the texture and just use it to paint it into a flower head. And this is just a simple leaf pattern. Some almost doodling like patterns and dots. And then I'm using white gouache in some other areas. And I think some areas you have light over dark, some areas have dark over light. It adds more, in my opinion, more excitement. And some graphic floral and some doodling pattern that doesn't look like anything in the real world. I make those decisions intuitively, and I'm on the waiting list to borrow a book from the library, a audiobook called Thinking Slow, Thinking Fast. It's a book about how intuitive thinking and rational thinking can coexist in the same brain. I might not summarize it correctly, but I'm looking forward to read the book. Sometimes I can be very rational. For example, when I make investment and business decisions, I am very rational. But when I paint, my brain is switched into completely intuitive mode. I don't do the switch mechanically on purpose. I never even think about it until I saw the book title last night. I will talk more about it once I get to read the book. But introduction of the book resonated with me and make me think that, oh wow, yeah, I do have intuitive and rational side, and I would love to read about it and talk about it more. But anyway, here's the pattern, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.